Hi everyone! I'm gonna give you an update about our giveaway. So I told you in my Instagram post that I'm going to announce the winner on December 8th, and it's past 10 in the evening, Thailand time, December 8th. Alright? Sadly, it's hard. It's hard to let go of these instruments. Biro lang po. It's hard to choose from, a lot of people na deserving naman magkaroon ng ganitong instrument. And what makes it even harder is that some people I know personally, they commented, I'm really confused. Pero hindi yun dahilan kung ba't tayo mali-delay. The reason is we went so busy, we practiced because we're going to play on December 13 dito sa aming school. Magpe-play kami ng ilang mga kanta, blues and jazz music. And nape-pressure lang ako ng konti. And so, when I looked at the messages, yung mga comments na meron kayo, it's really, I'm really thankful for your messages. Salamat po sa pagbati sa akin. God bless you. I think this is not the first and last time na magkakaroon tayo ng giveaway. Because I just love sharing what I have. Okay? So, kung kaya ko naman, let's do this, diba? But let me know, maybe if you want me to keep sharing my stuff or keep sharing Kalimba and ukulele, click that like button right now and so I know what you have in mind, or comment something, okay? Eto po ang sinasabi ko. Since may mga kilala ako na nag-post or nag-comment sa aking Instagram post, it's harder for me to choose from them. Kasi kapag binigyan ko po yung isa, I feel like I need to give them all, lahat ng kakilala ko na nag-comment. And I feel sad about that, diba? Na hindi ko sila mabibigyan lahat. And so, this is the time that I'm gonna say, they are disqualified. I'm disqualifying them. And we're gonna give these two items to a total stranger, to a person or people who I don't know personally. Di po ba? I think that way, I must better. Diba? So, I'm not gonna be subjective. But tell you guys, I love your comments, I love your wishes, and your prayers. And so, pipili ako ng top 3 dun sa mga nag-comment regarding Kalimba and ukulele. Sa top 3 na yon, bubunot ako ng isa, and so that those people are the winners. Maybe let's just do it that way para hindi mahirap. Di po ba? And I'm gonna post the update tomorrow about the winner. Okay? Ngayon po, let me postpone because we went so busy this day, Sunday. And on Tuesday, we have another practice. Alright. And ano pa ba? May sasabihin pa ba ako? Anyway, this Kalimba is beginner Kalimba. It's good for practice. If you don't have one yet, diba? And this will be your first Kalimba. It's good. And you can practice here. You see, I can play 2-5-1. Alright, this ukulele, this is Cordoba I bought in Bangkok. For beginner and intermediate player, maganda na to. Alright, so, sa inyo na po to. If you want another, giveaway, please let me know. Hit that like button and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And let's keep sharing, diba? Sharing is caring. That's what we always teach to our students here. Since I am blessed with, with some instruments, I want to share. And again, just to remind you, you don't need to subscribe to this channel for you to be qualified to my giveaways. I'm just thankful and that's it. Okay? However, I'm reaching 1,000 subscribers really soon. Salamat po sa inyong support. And I started this channel last year. Okay? I think my first ukulele video was December. Pero yung isang video na talagang nag-click ay yung Still. And I did that, if I'm not mistaken, 7 months ago. Alright? And so I'm encouraged to do more. And I chose Christian songs as my niche. So in my videos. Because that's what we love to sing. I also play other music. It's just that in our YouTube community, there are, lots of people who play Kalimba, ukulele. So you need to narrow down. So I chose to narrow down, and I narrowed down to genre, gospel genre or worship music. Okay? So, but I appreciate a lot of musical genres, and we play them, I play them, okay? That's the niche, okay? So, again po, so sorry po sa mga kakilala ko, you will not be chosen. You are disqualified. Maybe one day, you know, I'm gonna buy some stuff, kalimba or ukulele, and give it to you. Alright? But it doesn't need to be, you know, posted in public, di ba? And you don't know, you never know. Maybe pag-uwi ko sa Pilipinas, di po ba? Alright? So, let's just wait. Okay? And for now, let's give these instruments to people who I don't know, who are strangers to me. Because giveaway is like that. Okay? And the next time I will organize a giveaway, gagawin na natin ano, parang raffle, 'di ba? Parang random na talaga. Alright? Not based on the reason why they want it. Okay? Kasi yun yung mas nagpapahirap pumili eh. Kapag napakaganda yung reason ng isa, yung isa nakaka-touch. Alam niyo po yun. So, next time, ay raffle na lang. I'm gonna choose from the people who will participate on the giveaway. So I hope you're happy that this is not the first and last giveaway that we will have. We will have giveaway soon. Okay? So just tune in to my videos and you will know.